Um, 70% of the paddles you can fix them using your hands. The rest you would actually tighten the paddles using the wrench which has been received into the box. It is actually labeled onto the paddles, the left side and the right hand side, so that will make it easier to install.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never